Welcome back to our channel DIY Solved, where you do it yourself. In this video, I will teach you how to increase your RAM speed using virtual memory on any Windows version. Now, this method helps boost your computer's performance without any extra hardware. Let's jump into it right now. First, it doesn't matter which Windows version you are on, these steps are the same across all Windows. So what we're going to be doing now is we're going to be looking for my PC on your desktop. It's located on your desktop, which is this. If you cannot find it on your desktop, then what you just need to do is to open your file explorer, then you scroll down here and you see my PC right here. So all you need to do, you either right click here or you just come and right click here if you have it on your desktop. So what you just need to do now is click on properties, and as you can see here, I have 16 gig of RAM installed on my PC. To improve this, you click on the advanced system setting right here. Then a window is going to pop up and you stay on the advanced tab. You can see right here, you see performance, which is the visual effects, processor scheduling, memory usage, and all. Then you click on settings right here. Now, a new window is also going to pop up. You navigate all the way to advanced again. Then you see virtual memory here. You click on change. Now you can find this automatic manage paging files for all drives. So you're going to uncheck this. And when you do that, you can see your C drive is automatically set as default right here. Then you can see the custom size. And so this is where we're going to be working. Then you can see here recommended size and currently allocated. So now, because I have done mine before and I won't be able to touch it or make some changes on it again. Now, if you find this below below your recommended, that's your currently allocated size below your recommended. So what you just need to do is this. So now let's check this custom size. Now what we're going to be doing is initial size, which is my 16 gig of RAM. We put it here. So what we'll do again now is, now let's do some calculations. Now 16 gig of RAM, let's multiply that by 2. It gives us 32. Now 32 multiplied by 1024, because we have 1024 MB in 1 gig. So you just multiply that. And when you get your value here, so you just take your value and you put it right here. So for example, I put this, but I won't be able to go further because I've done this before. And but you just put your value here and click on set. So as soon as you click on set, you just press OK, OK, then you apply, then it brings you back here. You apply, then it prompts you to restart your system. So as soon as you restart your system, then your system is good to go and your laptop is going to be very fast. And that's it, guys. You've just boosted your PC's performance by increasing the virtual memory. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome tips.